Li Timei is a Vietnamese girl working in the cross-border e-commerce industry in the China-Vietnam border village of Maoping in Ma Guan County, southwest China's Yunnan province. In 2017, she came to Ma Guan for job opportunities. She then quickly mastered Mandarin Chinese and several local ethnic languages through hard efforts and built her family here in 2019. Now she's a cross-border e-commerce live streamer who mainly sells traditional clothing of China's Miao ethnic minority to her compatriots.
平常我都会跟他们介绍我们越南平常的生活，带他们了解更多越南的民族服饰，还有越南特产，还有越南的粉丝，我都会跟他们介绍中国这边平常我们生活的方式。
According to Li, the number of her Vietnamese followers has exceeded 30% of the total, and her live broadcast has attracted a maximum online viewer of more than 7,000. This greatly encouraged her to turn more fresh ideas into reality.
下一步我们会拍摄更多短视频，带我的粉丝们了解更多文化，拉近两国的友谊。